Hello everyone, today I'll show you a quick workaround for inserting doors and windows in AutoCAD. The usual method involves a lot of cutting and trimming, which can add up a lot of time for your drafting. Instead, here we will use a command called WIPEOUT, which will reduce all the steps, and you can directly place a door and not worry about the trimming or joining. I'll just show you how. Okay. Here you can see, just by placing the door, it has automatically cut a hole and joined the edge of the wall. And when you take it out, the wall is back, and you have to do no trimming, no joining or any such commands. Now we'll just look how we can make the block. I'll just create a quick copy and I'll explode it with X. I'll just strip everything off and so that I'll have only the door frames and the door panel. Now first thing that you should do is create a line like this, like a wall line at both the edges of the frame, so that when you place it, it will act as a continuation of the wall. For that, first we'll measure the wall. It's 230 mm. So we'll create a line, 230. We'll take it, snap it to the center of the frame and copy it to the other side, and we'll match properties, MA command, select the wall layer and match the properties with the lines of the wall. Now we have just the basic door frame with the wall. Now we will add the wipeout. The thing with wipeout is, it's always a good thing to leave a 5 mm offset in the top and the bottom, so that it accounts for the line thickness of the wall. Okay, we'll insert it, wipeout. I'll just give an offset of 5 mm. Same here, 5. Here also 5. And here also 5. Okay. Yeah, so now you can see it has wiped out everything underneath it, even parts of the door. To fix that, what you can do is select it, press DR for draw order, and select back. Now it has pushed the wipeout to the beneath the door, so that you can see everything above it. The next step, to make it invisible, make the wipeout code invisible, is that you can first assign it a color, like something lighter, and then you can go into the line type and select a dotted. To be clear, I am taking this one, AutoCAD ISO 07W100. Okay, now it has become dotted, but to make it how we want, what we'll do is we'll select it, plus Control 1 and increase the line type scale. I'll make it 100. Yeah, when you make it 100, you can see there are like 2 dots, but if you want to make it completely invisible, I'll go even further, something like 200, and you can see it is completely gone. But I prefer having a single dot at the center, so that I can have a snapping point to the door. So what I can do is I will put something like 150. Yeah, if I put something like 150, I'll get a single snapping in the center. I'll keep it like that, and I'll make it a block. Okay, now I'll just snap. Okay, and also be careful not to snap to the wipeout dot. Always snap to the wall, and then snap anywhere you like on the wall. And yeah, there you have it. You have created your wipeout door block, which you can easily use and not create a lot of trimming and stuff. You can use the same technique for windows also, and almost anything that will be like cutting through walls or any such elements. Okay, thank you.